Hello, hello, happy crafters. How's everybody doing? Hopefully you guys are having a marvelous day. I wanted to come on here real quick, you guys, and share with you a little bit of a project share. Something that I was working on yesterday. Um, I shared with you guys a video of some shakers and also my new designs that I'm working on that are going to be launching very soon over at my shop, happydaycrafts.com. But I wanted to make something that was a little bit larger than the shakers. That I have received and the molds that I have received. So by now you might have seen a Dollar Tree haul that I made. In that Dollar Tree haul, I purchased a package of these hearts with these arrows on them. And as I was trying to decorate them, because I did pull out some papers, like I cut out some heart-shaped papers to kind of like decorate the hearts with for a project, I started kind of looking at them and I was like, I wonder if I can actually turn these into shakers. I know I've seen other people, create like larger scale shakers from just like regular, like regular items like that. I apologize, you guys. You know how it is with the noise. Terrible, terrible. So I did go ahead and attempt this, you guys. That pack brings 8, so if this is something that you guys want to see me do as in a video, like a tutorial video, then I would really appreciate to hear that down below. Moving forward, I think I'm going to be doing a lot more of that, and instead of kind of like creating videos for things that you guys might not even want to really see. So if you're looking into, if you're interested in seeing a tutorial on how I create something that I didn't share a tutorial for, please feel free to just let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to, fit it in there somewhere. So this is what I created. As you guys can see, super, super thick with the base. See how thin that is. And it took me, oh my God, you guys, I learned so many things working on this little shaker here. Like I learned so many things. But I'm going to go ahead and bring it up close to you guys so that I can tell you my little story of what happened here. So this is completely DIY. Completely DIY. Okay. I decorated the back with the decorative papers that I had already previously cut. Everything is covered in resin. You guys, I learned so many things. And again, if you will be interested in hearing about what I learned or seeing a process on how I created this, then definitely let me know in the comment section down below. I've learned a lot, and I'm pretty sure that my next one is going to come out a lot nicer than this one, because this was a lot of trial and error. It's filled with baby oil. And I added some of these sequins that I got from Dollar Tree. Again, I should have a video on that at this point in time. It was a heck of a journey, you guys. It was a heck of a journey. But I really loved the way that it came out. I should have added more glitter, more stuff in it, but I wasn't really sure if it was even going to work to begin with, just because of what I was working with. So, and again, it was my very first time doing it. But I did want to kind of like come here and share with you guys and let you guys see what I've been up to and how it came out. Everything is covered in resin. The back, the front. Hubby just got home, you guys. Say hello to Sasson in the comment section.
Yeah.
And yeah, you guys, this was really nice. I really like how it came out. And I'm starting to, I'm trying to kind of start blending in like a little bit of paper crafting.
Oh, that looks nice.
Thank you. Look, I covered the whole thing.
Nice. You have my heart in your hand. Yeah.
I hope so. Shoot. I better. So yeah, you guys. So if you want to see how I made this, again, I've learned a lot. So this one might be a little bit wonky, more or less, because it's got like extra glues here and there and stuff like that. But if you're interested in seeing how I make this, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and I will make sure to get a tutorial ready for you guys. If nobody's interested in seeing how I created this, then most likely I'll do like a video share or something of the other ones that I end up making with the other papers. But if you were interested in seeing me actually record this process, then please let me know down below. I'm trying to kind of like not flood my channel with things that people don't really want to see. So I'm trying to like, you know, figure out what those things are. And by you guys telling me what you like or what you would like to see, or if you need to see any process videos on any of the things that I share with you guys, that will go a really long way to helping me kind of like structure the content that I put here more to your liking. Try to do a little bit of Valentine crafting, nothing too major. And again, I do apologize for all the noise in the background, but it's kind of unavoidable here in my house. So, oh, she thinks we got treats.
I know my treats.
Uh-oh, Venus finished all the treats. Now she's asking for more.
A treat for his little baby.
So you guys, I hope that you found this video inspirational, if anything else. If you have any channels or links of other people that do stuff like this, and you would like to share that with me, I would love for that as well. As I am learning, I appreciate all useful feedback, and it's all about you know, growing as an artist, if you will. So I hope that you guys enjoy this. Please let me know what you thought about it down below. I'm super excited, you guys. So many cute little things are happening. Loving this resin, loving all of this stuff. But I will let you guys go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you all on the next one. Bye for now.